Another sound of, okay, G sound. Okay, we're going to learn the hard sound and the soft sound of G. Okay, now this is the J sound. G is the J sound. J. Alright, J is the soft sound. Now I'm going to blend it with this word E, G, giraffe. Giraffe. This is the animals of giraffe. Okay, now second one, say and check. What fruit is this? This is the orange. So we're going to think, this is a grass. This is the hard G. Orange. J. This is the one, the soft G. And giant is none. So the orange is the right one. Next one is a cage. K. Alright, it's not giraffe, it's not glass, it's a cage. Cage. Alright, next one, it's a giant. Giant. Giant, globe, and orange. So this is the right one. Giant. Next one is, the animal is giraffe. Giraffe. This is cage, green, and this is giraffe. This is the right one. Giraffe. Okay, next one. Unscramble, write and say. So the words may not been properly done, properly spelled. So we're going to unscramble it. Okay, now this is the fruit is orange. You start with O, orange. Orange. Okay, orange. Next one, this is a cage. A, J. Cage. And silent E at the back. Cage. Next one, this is giraffe. Start with the J, E, G, R, the double F, silent E, giraffe. Next one, it's a giant. 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 Okay, children, I hope you understand. Okay, the J sound and the K sound we have learned today. The hard and the C sound and C sound of soft sound of C and the hard sound of C, and also the hard sound of G and the soft sound of G. Okay, till we meet in the next lesson. Okay, bye.